Chapter 7, Wall of Sound. I think, again, we talk about all the noise and how do we sort of cut through the noise? When is it smarter to stay silent rather than creating noise? Why is that important to Trump?
Well, if there's bad news out there, such as on the domestic front, that he's underwater in all the national surveys on his critical priorities. Even surprisingly, immigration, where he has so much that on border crossings that he could have championed as a great success, because of the recklessness and the partisan attacks of these ICE raids in blue cities and the awful deaths of these peaceful protesters and things, is that it's he wants to get the focus off of that. So that's where we see things like Venezuela, or renaming the Kennedy Center, or all kinds of glittering things. The idea of the Venezuela invasion, they call it a wag the tail scenario. It's a distraction where a small part of the animal winds up having a bigger effect on the larger entity, and that's sort of the Venezuela operation. But there are endless examples where people get distracted by these what were seen as sidebar issues, and he's very effective at it. So the news cycle completely cleansed all the issues on affordability, on healthcare, and